Mommy, we're in Soarin, and look, there's no more partitions. So now everyone's kind of like on top of each other here. So we were able to get in section B. They were gonna send us to section C, and I was like, no, let's go to B. So we're in B3. I kind of want to B1, but B3 is gonna be fine as long as we're in the center. And we'll watch the video in a second.
My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras,
You're paying attention?
and of course,
Yeah?
these little things. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. That's work valve. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
All right, they're letting us in, so I'm gonna stop.
We are ready for takeoff.
Look at that one, it's a baby. I'm ready. Wow! Where are we? Australia. There's an airplane? Where are we? That looks like Arendelle. Austria.
Cinderella's castle.
Yeah. Oh.
We actually live there.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at the booties.
The booties. I want to smell the dark. The door, here comes the door.
Oh, mommy, we're in China.
Like mommy, people with umbrellas.
Oh, those are cool umbrellas.
That means skirt. We're in the desert.
We're in the desert.
Yeah, with the pyramids.
Is Egypt? You're in Egypt.
Look at those pyramids.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Look at that. Taj Mahal. You're in India.
Yeah, like in this small room, like on the road.
Yeah. Where are we now? It looks like Hawaii. You saw all those,
Hey, Mommy, that looks like Mother Earth.
it looks like Mother Earth, yeah. I wouldn't go in that water.
Yeah, me too.
You smell it? You smell how nice it smells?
You ready for a waterfall? Scared? Mommy, look, the Eiffel Tower.
It's the Eiffel Tower. We're in Paris. Yeah, say hi to Tinkerbell. Now we're landing.
On behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us.
How'd you like it?
To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button.
How'd you like it, Mama?
Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the underside.